and we put moisturizer in mountain regions. देखा, हम भी चेंज हो जाते हैं डेजर्ट रीजन में और माउंटेन रीजन में, because we are adapting ourselves to the changes in the surroundings. Similarly, children, plants also change their characteristics to adapt to the surroundings, and this is known as adaptation, the change which comes in their body structures. This is adaptation. Okay, now let's see the definition of adaptation. So this is adaptation, the process, read with me, the process of developing special features in the body to adjust in the surroundings is called adaptation. As you know, cactus grows in desert. It has different characteristics. Instead of leaves, cactus has thorns so that it can survive in desert. Cactus can grow in desert, but a mango plant cannot grow in deserts. So here we studied what is adaptation, and now we will be studying the various types of plants, which are the two broad categories in which plants are divided. We can divide plants mainly in two ways. The first one is terrestrial plants, second is aquatic plants. Now children, tell me, terrestrial plants मतलब क्या होता है? What are terrestrial animals? उसमें से मुझे सोच के बताओ, what are terrestrial plants? Yes, very good. The plants which grow on land. The plants which grow on land are called terrestrial plants. Aquatic plants. Aquatic. So, जो aquatic is used for water. So, the plants which grow in water. There are many plants which grow in water. They are known as aquatic plants. So, always remember from the word aquatic. Aquatic. So, the plants which grow in water are called aquatic plants. The plants which grow on land are called terrestrial plants. Now, let's see some examples of terrestrial plants. Here they are: pine tree, fir tree, neem tree. And children, it is not necessary that you write only these examples. The plants which you can see by your eyes in your localities, they all are terrestrial plants because they are growing on land, right? So, be like this. No need to be the worm of textbook. जितना textbook में है हम उतना ही पढ़ेंगे. No, explore yourself. Try some new examples. Now comes aquatic plants. See, example: lotus, tape grass, and water hyacinth. These are the examples of aquatic plants. You might have seen lotus, right? They grow in water. So children, today we studied adaptation, aquatic plants, terrestrial plants, what they are and their examples. Now